Hi dear traders, I'm Maria Stardup and this is the review of crypto analytics from FxCo. It's the 28th of December, today Wednesday, and in our today's review, the founder of FTX left federal court without making a payment. Brazil's president has signed a bill to legalize the use of cryptocurrencies. And meanwhile, Ethereum and Bitcoin are still moving sideways. Let's start. We will start with an article by Jakub Novak and the news from the US about the FTX exchange. And now, this time, last week, news organizations from all over the world reported that the company's founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, would be released from jail after posting a sizable bail of $250 million, which is the largest pre-trial bail. However, it was discovered that there is not a single genuine penny in these $250,000, and Fried was released from prison without making a single payment. He was merely released from custody with his parents' guarantee, a solemn promise by Bankman-Fried to pay the court $250 million if he fails to show up for court at the scheduled time, and a similar promise by his parents. So, Jakub writes that Bankman-Fried signed a document promising to pay the court this sum of money if he decided to leave the country. So, it turns out that he left the country essentially free. Moreover, the former FTX CEO is prohibited from opening new credit lines with value greater than $1,000, and that's all. And here Jakub says that for a man who once oversaw a $32 billion crypto empire, Bankman-Fried has previously claimed that his wealth has fallen to $100,000 just. Such a crash. And now let's move to Brazil and news from this country. And there, Brazil's president, who's due to leave office on December 31st, signed a bill to legalize the use of cryptocurrencies as a payment method in the country. The law includes many digital currencies as a part of the definition of legal payment methods in Brazil. It also establishes a licensing system for virtual asset service providers and sets out penalties for fraud with digital asset. His announcement did not suggest which federal agency might be responsible for overseeing crypto payments. However, as in the United States, digital assets considered securities fall under the regulatory umbrella of the Brazilian Securities and Exchange Commission. The law also included provisions likely introduced in response to FTX damage, requiring exchanges to distinguish between user and company assets. And the law will come into force in 180 days, probably in June 2023. Okay, and what's happening with the cryptocurrencies themselves? And we will start with Ethereum. So Sebastian says that Ethereum cryptocurrency has retraced 38% of the last wave down on the 4-hour time frame chart and is currently trading close to this level, consolidating the recent gains. The bulls need to break through the level of 1,246 in order to continue the bounce towards the technical resistance seen at 1,278. The intraday volatility is very limited. The key short-term technical support is seen at the level of 1,150. On the higher time frame, like weekly, there is clear test of the level of 1080. So any breakout below the moving average and weekly candle close below moving average will be considered as another indication of the downtrend continuation. So his trading outlook is the following. The Ethereum market has been seen making lower highs and lower lows since the swing high was made in the middle of August at the level of 2029. The key technical support for bulls at 1,281 was broken already, and the new yearly low was established at 1,074. If the down move will be extended, then the next target for bears is located at the level of 1,000. Well, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. So, today, 28th of December, and today, Ethereum opened the day at the point 1,210, and then it went a bit down. Now at the moment of the publication, it's trading at 1,192. And now let's move on to Bitcoin and the article by Dean Leo. So, looking at the 4-hour chart, Dean says that his overall bias for Bitcoin is bearish due to the current price crossing below the Ishimoku cloud, indicating a bearish market. If this bearish momentum continues, expect price to possibly continue heading towards the first support at 15,632, where the previous swing low is. In an alternative scenario, price could possibly head up towards the first resistance at 17,297, where the 38.2% Fibonacci line is. So his trading recommendations: entry 17,297. A reason for entry: retest first resistance line. Take profit 15,632. Reason for take profit: previous swing low. Stop loss 18,373. Reason for stop loss: recent swing high. Okay, and now let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. And what do we see? So today, 28th of December, it opened at point 16,690, and now at the moment of the publication it is trading at point 16,600 exactly. Well, and this is all for today. As usual, I wish you profitable trading, fantastic day. Don't forget to write your comments and questions down below, and see you in the next in our next review tomorrow. Goodbye.